Hi everyone. Sometimes life is not about what you want to do, but what you ought to do. It's a quote of Chetan Bhagat from his book Love, Courage and Ambition. This quote encapsulates a profound truth that resonates not only in our personal lives, but also in the complex landscape of the business world. In the context of business, the idea of doing what you ought to do versus what you want to do is often the fundamental difference between success and failure. In the pursuit of profit and growth, business leaders are constantly faced with tough decisions that require prioritizing responsibilities and making sacrifices. Navigating the uncharted entrepreneurship is often driven by the pursuit of one's passion and ambition. Aspiring business owners are often fueled by their desires to innovate, create, and change the world with their ideas. However, the harsh reality is that not all entrepreneurial ventures succeed. In the face of market force, competition and financial constraints, aspiring entrepreneurs must often make difficult choices. It is in these moments that they are compelled to focus not solely on what they want to do, but rather what they ought to do. In the world of business, leadership is a position of great influence and responsibility. A leader's decision impact not only their own career, but also the livelihood of employees, the well-being of stakeholders, and the broader community. While leaders may have personal ambitions and preferences, they are often tasked with making decisions that prioritize the greater good. These decisions may involve sacrificing short-term gains for long-term sustainability, or adhering to ethical standards that may not align with their immediate desires. Leaders and employees frequently face choices that challenge their values and morals. The quote reminds us that in such moments, it is not merely what we desire that guides our actions, but what we ought to do. Ethical standard is essential for building trust, reputation, and sustainable success in the long run. Balancing personal ambitions with responsibilities is a continual challenge that entrepreneurs, leaders, and all those engaged in the business arena must face. Ultimately, success in business is not solely defined by the pursuit of one's desires, but by the ability to make decisions that align with ethical standards and responsible leadership. It reminds us that in the business world as in life, there is often a higher purpose beyond what we may personally want, and recognizing and embracing that purpose is the key to long-term success. Thank you.